Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Raj English Academy. As it is, we are doing the question answers of 10th standard revised syllabus of 2024. Chapter number 5, Social and Religious Reform Movements. So let's start the question answers of this lesson. First one, fill in the blanks with the suitable answers. First one, the 19th century is called the period of dash, Indian Renaissance. Then second one is Raja Ram Mohan Rai started dash periodical, Samaveda Kaumudi. Then third one is the founder of Pratna Samaja is Atmaram Pandurang. Then move to the next one. Fourth one, dash propagated that freedom was the basic necessity of the every individual, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule या सत्यशोधक समाज. Then move to the fifth one. The guru of Swami Vivekananda was dash. Answer is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Sixth one. The young Bengali movement was started by Henry Louis Vivin Dirogio. Henry Louis Vivin Dirogio. The answer is. Now move to the next question is main one. Main second, discuss in groups and answer the following questions. What are the preaching of Brahma Samaja? Yep, preaching means teaching. Answer is the preaching or teaching of the Brahma Samajas are opposing idol worship. Then second one is opposing exploitation of women. Main motto of this one is opposing, their main opposition. They are going to support it, the provision of sati system. Then move to the next one. Encouraging monotheism. Monotheism means one. Theism means one religion, one god, like that it is. Okay, then opposing priestly class, condemning performance of yoga, yajnas and the rituals, especially this one. The answer is that they are going to, Brahma Samaja was going to opposing the condemning performance of the yajnas and rituals. Next, move to the next one. See, eighth one. Discuss the declaration of Dayanand Saraswati's Back to Vedas. So main in this his answer, he realized that the remedies to the various maladies, problems, serious problems of India are presented in Vedas. Means all the solution will be there in a whatever problem it may be related to the religion. Those all problem, any religion, any problem may be, all the solution will be there in a Vedas according to the Dayanand Saraswati. Then move to the next one. One should study Vedas and other ancient texts and preach them. Then next, move to the next point. The existence of caste and superstition had pushed people towards the other religions. Hence he declared that back to Vedas. He was more of Renaissance person than the Reformation person. Now move to the ninth one. Discuss the Reformation advocated by the Satyasodhaka Samaja. The reforms propagated by the Satyasodhaka Samaja are: the Samaja propagated that freedom was the basic necessity of every individual and no individual could express his ideas if he did not have the freedom. It urged for the provision of the liquor. It opposed the gender inequality delaying of the human rights. Then move to the next. It opposed the exploitation of people. It opposed the practice of untouchability. It started the movement of social justice. It advocated free and compulsory education in order to bring about reform in the social system. Jyotiba Phule condemned slavery. He gave stress on girls' education. Therefore, he started schools for girls only. Then move to the 10th one. Discuss the aims of Aligarh movement. The Aligarh movement was started under the leadership of the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The objectives of the movement are like that. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan said, without an open mind, any social and intellectual development is impossible. He did not support the Parda system for the Muslim women. He did not accept polygamy. Poly means more than one. Gamy means marriage. POLY means more, and gamy means marriage. He was opposed that. All these aspects were part of his struggles. Then move to the next. In order to implement his ideals into practice, he founded Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College in Aligarh in 1875. He utilized this institution to spread Western scientific and cultural ideas. This institution later became Aligarh Muslim University. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan preached religious tolerance. He thrived for unity among the Hindu and Muslim. He was tried to bring unity among Hindu and Muslim. Then move to the 11th one. Explain the use of Ramakrishna Mission. Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Swami Vivekananda. The vision of this mission is loving life and significance of the individuals, his presence and the ability. Now move to the next one. Social service is necessary for achievement of the salvation, moksha. The vision of mission is also nurturing culture through the education and social service, tolerance of religions, and maintaining all religions as truth is the vision of this mission. Now move to the 12th one. What were the Reformation activity of Annie Besant? The Reformation brought by the Annie Besant are: she arose pride in Indian culture through her lectures. She attempted to establish equality, universal brotherhood, and harmony in the society. She gave full support to Indian struggle for the freedom. As a token of this, she started Home Rule movement in 1916. She contributed immensely to Indian philosophy and the freedom struggle. Now move to the 14th. Make a list of main aspects of the Periyar movement. Periyar movement. For this one, first point is, the non-Brahmin movement took a new shape under the Justice Party. This became more radical. This became the more radical. Self-respect movement led by the V.E. Ramaswamy Naiko became a new force. Ramaswamy, who came out of Congress in 1925, he came out from the Congress and started Self-Respect League in 1926. He was called Periyar. Periyar means was senior, out of love by the people. Periyar was born in to a rich family. He believed that Congress is in a favor of the Varna system and started a new movement based on Dravid racial identity. He rejected the racial supremacy in the name of Arya or Brahmin. He said Tamil is language of Dravidians. He opposed Sanskrit language and literature. He also rejected Ravana as the Vedic leader. Rama as a Vedic leader and accepted Ravana as the Dravidian leader. He championed equality and criticized caste and gender-based discrimination. He participated in temple entry movement held at the Vaikom of the Kerala. He became the president of the Justice Party in 1939. He started an association called Dravida Kalagama. He also started Justice periodical. The ideological non-Brahminical movement started by the Ayoniti Das and T.M. Nair was turned into the cultural movement by the Periyar. His life goal was to establish an equal society where there will be no inequality based on caste, religion, and gender. Now move to the 15th. Which were the principles advocated by the Dirogio? Dirogio. So the first is Young Bengal movement held discussion and debate on issues like nature, humanism, God, and other various topics. Dirogio worked towards spreading the message that only rational thinking would liberate people from the clutches of superstitions and social discrimination. Move to the next. He was an advocate of the human rights and he opposed caste-based discrimination. This grew into a new movement, but the influence of this movement was limited to the Calcutta and few areas of Bengal. Now move to the 16th. What are the contribution of Swami Vivekananda to the society? Swami Vivekananda was a revolutionary monk. He opened the eyes of the Indian towards the importance of living life. He stressed the significance of the individual, his presence, and his ability. He gave importance to social service, which is necessary for the achievement of the salvation among moksha. Gandhiji and many national leaders were inspired by his philosophy. Then move to the next. He emphasizes national and religion like two faces of a coin. In 1893, at Chicago Conference of World Religions, Vivekananda upheld a greatness of Indian by advocating tolerance of all the religions and maintaining that all the religions are true. He established Ramakrishna Mission in 1897 to spread the message of equality of all the religions and to put that into practice. He introduced Indian culture to the world. Really such a great personality. The revolutionary monk is a great inspiration to the youth of India. These are the contribution to the society by Swami Vivekananda. So thank you for watching this video, my dears. If you have any doubt, any suggestion, then please do comment and share this video among your friends and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you for watching this video once again, my dears.